Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of dragging around bulky vacuum cleaners or dealing with tangled cords just to keep your floors clean, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the world of cordless vacuum cleaners, but not just any models. I've handpicked 5 of the most powerful, feature-packed, and user-approved cordless vacuums on the market right now. Whether you're battling pet hair, dust bunnies, or just want something lightweight and hassle-free, I've got you covered. From smart LED displays and powerful suction to long run times and advanced filtration, these vacuums aren't just cleaning tools, they're tech-savvy cleaning machines. So let's jump in and find out which one deserves a spot in your home. The Trucozie T350 is a sleek, lightweight cordless vacuum designed for users who value flexibility, smart design, and quiet efficiency. Weighing in at just 3.3 pounds, it's easy to maneuver across floors and transform into a handheld vacuum with the included 2-in-1 and sofa brushes. What really stands out is the vacuum's LED display and V-shaped de-tangle brush head, which works wonders on long hair and pet fur without clogging. The device is powered by a 7-cell 2,200 mAh battery, providing up to 45 minutes of runtime on energy-saving mode, enough to clean most small to medium-sized homes in one go. Its 5-stage filtration system captures particles as tiny as 0.1 microns, minimizing secondary pollution and promoting cleaner indoor air. The Smoture cordless vacuum positions itself as a high-performance machine, delivering up to 45 kilopascals of suction thanks to its 550-watt brushless motor, a spec that rivals many premium models on the market. This vacuum doesn't just clean floors, it lifts deeply embedded dirt from carpets and cracks without hesitation. With up to 60 minutes of runtime and a smart battery management system, you can clean your entire home on a single charge and even double the runtime with a spare battery. A major convenience feature is its self-standing capability, ideal when pausing or storing the unit. And the wall-mounted charging dock makes for hassle-free recharging and accessory storage. Smoture combines raw power with smart design, ideal for users who want performance, ease, and longevity in one sleek package. Totte's cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful 550-watt machine offering up to 45 kilopascals of suction, which makes it a formidable tool for deep cleaning both hard floors and carpets. Built for convenience, it boasts a long 60-minute runtime and a removable 2,500 mAh battery that charges quickly in just 3.5 hours. The 6-in-1 design includes multiple attachments and an adjustable brush head that rotates 180 degrees sideways and 90 degrees vertically, allowing access to tight corners and low furniture. The LED touch display is both responsive and informative, letting users toggle between 3 suction levels for customized cleaning. Its multi-stage filtration system, featuring stainless steel and HEPA layers, traps 99.99% of dust particles, ensuring that what you vacuum doesn't find its way back into your air. The Dsorupa 510 Ultra is a high-end cordless vacuum that leaves little to be desired when it comes to performance and user-centric design. With a robust 550-watt motor and a whopping 45 kilopascals of suction, it handles everything from pet fur to fine dust on hardwood floors or carpets. Where it truly excels is in runtime, a massive 70 minutes in min mode, thanks to a built-in 8-cell 2,500 mAh battery, which makes it one of the longest-lasting options in its class. The wall-mounted dock doubles as an automatic charging station, so you'll never have to fumble with cords again. Dsorupa has truly created a smart, luxurious vacuum that's as functional as it is high-tech. Mbyulo's cordless vacuum blends powerful performance with innovative filtration and user-friendly tech. Equipped with a 450-watt motor and a peak suction power of 40 kilopascals, it's more than capable of handling pet hair, debris, and embedded dirt across various surfaces, from hardwood floors to area rugs. The device offers 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, with a removable battery and built-in protection circuit for user safety. One of its most impressive features is the V-shaped roller brush with edge cleaning design, which ensures even corners and baseboards are dust-free without scratching delicate surfaces. Its ultra-clear LED color screen provides vital system updates including battery level, suction mode, and maintenance alerts. Perhaps its most unique offering is the 11-level filtration system, including an H13 HEPA filter capable of capturing 99.99% of airborne pollutants. Compact, quiet, and highly efficient, the Mbyulo is an excellent choice for those seeking both hygiene and convenience in their daily cleaning routine. If you're looking for premium features with max power, the Smoture and Dsorupa Phi 10 Ultra lead the pack. For value-driven performance, the Totte vacuum is the hidden gem. If you prefer a lightweight, agile cleaner, the Trucozie T350 is a top choice. And for pet owners or hardwood specialists, the Mbyulo delivers impressive precision.